Hi, and welcome to Blind Kids, another legit food review. Today we're reviewing a marble soda. I already broke the seal. Take this thingamabob, it's a blob of green. Marble soda, more like blobs of green. You do that. Now I have a pretty cool wedding ring. Yeet, yeet. Now let's open it. My conclusion, it tastes green. This big empty. Yeet.